Hi, scholars. I'm Miss Houston. What's your name? I really like your name. Do you know what these objects on my table are called? Numbers. Very good. Let's identify the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see what color each number is. What color is the number 10? Red. 9. Blue. 8. Pink or magenta. 7. Yellow. 6. Pink. 5. Orange. 4. Green. 3. Blue. 2. Yellow. And 1 is purple, just like my dress. This number 1 is laying sideways, but it represents the number 1. Do you notice something about the size of these numbers? Some of them are bigger and some of them are smaller. The 10 is bigger than the 9. The 9 is bigger than the 8. The 8 is bigger than the 7. The 7 is bigger than the 6. The 6 is bigger than the 5. The 5 is bigger than the 4. The 4 is bigger than the 3. The 3 is bigger than the 2. And the 2 is bigger than the 1. Let's compare these numbers. When you compare numbers, you see which one is greater, less, or equal to the other number. Let's compare them. To show greater than, less than, and equal to, we're going to use symbols. The equal to symbol means that the two numbers are equal. Do your hands like this and say equal. That's right. The greater than symbol will open up to the bigger number. So it's going to face towards the bigger number. The less than symbol is going to face away from the smaller number. So the less than symbol faces away from the smaller number. Let's compare numbers. 2 and 6. Which number is the greater number? The greater number is the bigger number. 6 is bigger than 2. So which one is the greater number? 6, that's right. And remember, our mouth opens up towards the bigger number. Do your hand like this. 6 is greater than 2. And 2 is less than 6. 7 and 4. Which number is the greater number? 7. 7 is bigger than 4. Which way will our symbol face? Towards the 7, because the mouth opens up to the greater number. 7 is greater than 4. And 4 is less than 7. 5 and 5. Which one is greater? They're equal. 5 is equal to 5 because they're both the same number. Which symbol will we use for equal? Very good. 5 is equal to 5. 3 and 9. Which number is greater? 9. 9 is greater than 3 because 9 is bigger than 3. Which way should our symbol face? Towards the 9. 9 is greater than 3. 3 is less than 9. 8 and 10. Which number is the greater number? 10. 10 is greater than 8 because 10 is bigger than 8. Which way should our symbol face? Towards the 10. 10 is greater than 8. 8 is less than 10. 2 and 2. Which number is greater? They're equal. 2 is equal to 2 because they're the same number. Which symbol should we use? The equal sign. 2 is equal to 2. 4 and 6. Which number is greater? 6 is greater than 4 because 6 is bigger than 4. Which way should our symbol face? Towards the 6. That's right. 6 is greater than 4. And 4 is less than 6. 7 and 7. Which number is greater? They're equal. 7 is equal to 7. Which symbol should we use? The equal sign. 7 is equal to 7. 3 and 1. Which number is the greater number? 3. 3 is bigger than 1. Which way should our symbol face? Towards the 3. 3 is greater than 1. And 1 is less than 3. 8 and 2. Which number is greater? 8. 8 is greater than 2 because 8 is bigger than 2. Which way should our symbol face? Towards the 8. 8 is greater than 2. And 2 is less than 8. 10 and 9. Which number is greater? 10. 10 is greater than 9 because 10 is bigger than 9. Which way should our symbol face? Towards the 10. 10 is greater than 9 and 9 is less than 10. 2 and 1. Which number is the greater number? 2. 2 is greater than 1 because 2 is bigger than 1. Which way should our symbol face? Towards the 2. 2 is greater than 1 and 1 is less than 2. 1 and 1. Which number is greater? They're equal. 1 is equal to 1 because they're the same number. Which symbol should we use? Equal. 1 is equal to 1. Yay! You did a fantastic job comparing numbers. Let's review. Which symbol opens its mouth up towards the bigger number? Greater than. And which symbol faces away from the smaller number? Less than. And which symbol do we use when the numbers are the same? Equal to. You got it. Thanks for learning with Miss Houston. See you next time.